Welcome to Expasso's group break number 18 for Panini. The last team that ended was the Colorado Avalanche on January 30th, 2014 at 9:17 Eastern Time. The serial number that we're going to be doing is not applicable as I only opened up the case yesterday, so I will be picking up a fresh box today, and I'll most likely be listing the next box for the serial number for the next break. But right now, go to eBay's official timer, date and time, refresh, and it is currently Thursday, January 30th at 10:15 Eastern Time. Back around. This was the case that was used, and I will show the serial numbers for reference from YouTube number 1. So this will be the box that we're using, and I should grab a box for my next listing too. So this will be for today's. You can view these serial numbers from my video number 1, which is listed in YouTube, which I can send reference to as well. It's Dominion break number 17. So today's serial number will be 36301, and tomorrow's group break number will be 41152. Alright, so due to some complications on eBay, I won't be listing tomorrow, so I'm going to try and figure everything out by hopefully end of this week and trying to start relisting again. But we're going to go over shrink wrap. Top, bottom, and the serial number one more time. 36301. Alright. Empty. And we got a redemption. So we start off with the base for the Columbus Blue Jackets of Marian Gaborik at $2.99. We have an Anaheim Blue Sapphire Victor Vass for the Anaheim Ducks. I believe this is out of 99. Yep. We have a Philadelphia hit. The rookies of Ty McGinn. Out of $2.99. Beautiful patch there. Oh, we have a private signings for the Boston Bruins of Dougie Hamilton. So a very nice hit. And this is numbered out of 199, 38 of 199. We have a gold base out of 50 for Brian Campbell for the Florida Panthers. Sorry about my lighting, I'm trying to adjust it. I just moved to the new room. And we have the redemption of autograph patches of Ryan Nugent Hopkins for the Edmonton Oilers. So I can email, I can scratch it, or I'll send you the card. Alright. Well, thank you for watching Expasso's group break. Like I said earlier, I will be going on a break for tomorrow's break, and I hope to get everything up and running by next week or early this week. There's just some complications with some listing. But anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned. I hope to be back soon.